Hi, my name is Ben Katarivas, and along with my teammates Kai Jianglin, Jin Yu Liu, and Isabel Wright, we created the Trump OPCUA dashboard for Yukon Senior Design. To start, we'll go over some background and motivation. The background behind this project is that Trump has laser cutting machines which run on OPCUA, a machine protocol which machines use to connect with and communicate with one another. The OPCUA protocol can be used to get information found on each machine, including the uptime of the machine, how fast is the machine running, and how many parts is the machine producing, along with many other pieces of information. The motivation behind this project is that engineers at Trump want to know how performant a machine is at any given time. And so along with that, there's a quantity called overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, which can be calculated to give a score of a machine performance with information via OPCUA. The solution for this problem is to create a dashboard, and this dashboard streamlines monitoring of machine performance, provides data visualizations for understanding machines, and simplifies data acquisition for future usage. Challenges faced in this project were found in the OPCUA server and client connection. One challenge was that this OPCUA server and client connection has a single point of access, which may make it harder if multiple users want to connect to this endpoint at the same time. Another challenge faced was that it's hard to optimize for the constant monitoring of machines in order to accurately and reliably monitor and write down all of the information about these machines. There were also some challenges faced in the data handling portion of this project. Specifically, one challenge faced was data cleaning and interpreting and taking data that was raw or strange looking and making it much more understandable and comprehensible for engineers. Another challenge is data analysis, which is revolved around understanding which pieces of information were pertinent to the project and extracting those specifically. Finally, another challenge faced was data storage and understanding what's the most optimal approach for storing data, such as a JSON file, a CSV file, or a database, and ultimately we chose a MongoDB database to store the information. With all that said, let's move to a demo. This is the landing page that engineers will see when they open up the dashboard. As you can see, each machine has an OEE performance as a percentage to show how well the machine is performing. We also see that the machines are sorted currently from A to Z, but we can also sort them from Z to A, and increasing OEE and decreasing OEE. Finally, on the home page, we can also add a new machine if a machine is currently not being cataloged by the dashboard. Let's now see what a specific machine's information page looks like. When we reach this page, we see that there's a summary section on the left-hand side of the screen, which shows OEE and whether or not it's meeting a target specified by the user in a configuration file, as well as the three main quantities that are used to calculate OEE, namely availability, performance, and quality, each having their own targets that are specified by the user in a configuration file. We also see that there is a bar chart showing the 5 errors that a machine has, and of course if there are more, it'll only show the top 5. We also see on the right-hand side of the screen a pie chart detailing the times of a machine and whether or not a machine is currently running, stopped, or in an error state. We can also see a table of information which is used to determine and create the visuals and summary created above. This table shows all of the information that is used in order to calculate these terms. We also have a date picker, which can be used by engineers in order to filter down this data to a specific time frame. In doing so, we see that the data on the table is filtered, but also that the information above is now filtered as well, reflected, of course, in the fact that there are no errors, timing, or quantities. With that, I thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope you learn more about the Trump OPCUA dashboard.